Trace two 6.5-inch diameter circles onto a slab. I like to use a plastic stencil and smooth it onto the clay. A plastic stencil doesn't warp like a paper one does. Cut the circles out and remove scrap from the work area. The slab should be leather hard. See how the strip keeps its shape? Only under pressure does it bend and snap. This is the strongest stage for greenware. It holds its shape perfectly. Cut out 3-inch wide strips of soft leather hard clay. This clay is a bit more pliable than the circles. Cut strips as you need. It's okay to use multiple and overlap later. Prepare the walls by scoring about 1 inch down the edge. Add slip. Also score the edge of the circle. You'll also need to do this with the second circle and slip in scoring the bottom of the wall. To attach a circle, wiggle and compress into the score. Slowly turn the circles like a wheel, adjusting as needed and maintaining space. The bottom circle should be slightly lifted above the wall's edge. This will become the foot. Bevel cut the edge of the walls if the slab does not fully complete the circumference. Bevel cut the adjoining wall. Bevel cut by holding your knife at a 45-degree angle. Finish scoring any areas to be attached. Compress the areas together. Bevel cut the last wall edge. Slip and score together. Clean up oozing slip and messy edges. Roll out some thin coils. We will reinforce the foot and upper wall with these. Compress the coil into the joint of wall and base. Clean up unevenness if needed. the holder over. Compress thin coils into the joint here too. I am using the butt of a wooden knife to compress the clay. The bubbly looking compression will look fun next to the scallop design planned for the rim. To create the scalloped rim, hold your knife at an angle and draw a curve from top to near bottom. Leave a small top area of rim between cuts. For a less blocky appearance, gently pinch the scalloped edges thinner and upward. For extra flair, push the scallops out a little bit. This will make the candle holder appear more floral than crown-like. Make sure to poke a hole somewhere discreet like a side seam or the bottom. This is so air doesn't get trapped inside during the bisque.